Hey guys, today we are going to make a perfect selection with channels in Photoshop. This technique will work perfectly for images with a clean and even background. And this is how it works. This selection through channels is based on the contrast between the subject and the background. As you can see here, around hair, there is plenty of contrast and we also have a super clean background. Almost perfect conditions to use the channels for selections. To start, duplicate the main layer by dragging it onto the plus icon, then go to the Channels panel. And this is what you have to know about channels. Channels separate the image into three components, into colors: the red ones, the green ones, and the blue ones. As I said, it allows us to make selections based on contrasts. Anything white will be selected and anything black or gray is ignored. We will now search for the channel with the highest contrast between the background and the subject. To find the one with the highest contrast, just click through the channels. Choose the one with the best contrast. In this case, it's the blue channel. Duplicate your channel by dragging it onto the plus icon down below. For humans, the blue channel often has the highest contrast because blue is the least present in skin tones and hair. Now we notice our subject has a good contrast around the hair, but there is poor contrast between the white shirt and the white background near the shoulders. Overall, this is not enough contrast to make a good selection. This is what we do: press Command or Ctrl L to create a levels adjustment. Increase the black and the white tones to enhance the contrast in this image. But be careful, don't push the white too far to the left, as it will cause the white shoulders and the white background to merge. And I would say this looks good, but still not good enough. What we do now? Here is the thing. Contrast in channels can be enhanced with any tool, also with curves, contrast adjustment layers, or even with the brush tool. And the brush tool is what we are using now. Go to the left and select the brush tool from the toolbar. Now, paint with black over the areas that are still white but should not be selected. Remember, everything white will be selected, everything black will be ignored. Be very careful around the areas of her shoulders. Once done, go back to the Channels panel. Now hold Command or Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the blue channels copy until the selection icon appears. It's this little box right here at the cursor. Click it to load the selection. You will see that the outline of the selection appears. Now switch to the Layers panel, create a layer mask for the selection and hide the original main layer. You will notice that the subject is removed, but the background isn't. To fix this, simply invert the layer mask by hitting Command or Ctrl I. Yes, we successfully created a selection through channels, but we are not done yet, because there's a problem. Hey guys, quick break to talk about something really important to me. This channel is super new and at the time of this recording I've got less than 120 subscribers. And let's be real, YouTube isn't my main job. But still, I'm putting a ton of time and effort into these videos to make them as good as possible for you. Growing on YouTube is all about engagement. So if you're enjoying this, it would mean the world to me if you could smash that like button, leave a comment or even hit subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and now let's get back to the tutorial. While this looks awesome on a transparent background, it might appear messy on a solid color. Let's check. Create a solid color layer by going to the bottom right and clicking the adjustment layer icon. Select solid color, choose a color and click OK. Drag the solid color layer beneath the subject. Now you will notice parts of the white background are still visible around the hair, over here. To fix this, we have to refine our selection. Make a right click on the layer mask and choose Select and Mask. In the dialog, go to the left and select the Refine Edge Brush tool. Now paint over the areas with background remnants, especially around the hair. Be very precise around the area of her shoulders. Since these and the background are white, Photoshop might mistakenly identify the shoulders as part of the white background. When finished, set the output to Layer Mask and hit OK. And boom, this is your refined selection. Way better than before. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button to never miss out a new video on my YouTube channel. If you have any requests for tutorials or other type of videos, just let me know in the comment section below. Have a good one, we see us in the next video.